Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add number for each page on Canva. So previously, we don't have the function that allow you to add automatically page number, but Canva released the page number function, so I will show you very quick. You can see I have an example presentation over here and I don't have the page number yet. So I will go to the text. Over here in the text, you can see we have the dynamic text and the option called page number. You will choose this option. And you can see right in the left bottom corner, we have the number over here for each presentation. So how you can modify this, you come back to the text, go to page number again, and you can see we have some option you can change over here. We have the format is number only or page plus number, page 1, page 2, page 3, X or Y, like this one, page 1 of 17. You can see the next option over here. You can choose all the page right here, or you don't want to choose all the page. You can choose page 1, page 2, then skip page 3. You go to page 4, page 5, page 6. It's based on what you need. Okay, now I will show you how you can modify the position of this page number. You just need to choose this one and drag to the position you want, like we choose over here. But if you modify the page number 1, page number 2 will not automatically modify for you. So what you want to do is you come back to the page number 1, you come back to the page number and you choose the option called apply profile for all the page. Choose this one over here, and then you can see the page number 2, the position is the same with number 1, similar with number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, so the last one is you want to remove the page number. You can choose the delete over here, but when you delete on the page number 1, you can delete automatically on page number 2, similar with page number 3. So how you can delete all this number from all the page, you will come back to the page number again and you choose the option called remove all page number. You will choose this option and then all page number are removed from your Canva project. Okay, that's all my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.